Indian woodworking industry. Now we see very good growth for Indian woodworking industry. The way it started earlier and the way I see now in INDIAWOOD Delhi. So there is a significant difference I can see. The kind of maturity what the market has got with respect to all aspect of the technology transform from European countries, and also the technology transfer in own woodworking industry. This is humongous, I would say. So woodworking industry in India is considered as one of the star industry, which is recognized by government of India, and they are giving very good push for Indian woodworking industry, because not very long Indian woodworking industry was considered. The furniture, especially the modular furniture in India, was considered as a luxury, but now it is no more. It is a necessity now. Every home should have a modular furniture. So that has become a necessity. It's also one of the big push which we get for Indian woodworking industry is from real estate and IT sector. So real estate in India is growing at humongous CAGR rate of 24%. In 2030, it is expected to reach around 1 trillion turnover from current 250 to 300 million euro. So that means it is going at humongous rate, and for Indian woodworking industry, it gives a really big push where all the furniture manufacturers are now catering to domestic market, which is still have long way to go for exports also. With the situation of geopolitical situation of China, so this is going to benefit India in a big way. So I urge all the manufacturer to scale up in big way, so that they are ready for the boom which is going to happen in coming future in woodworking industry in India. So then talking about the kind of platform Nuremberg Messe what is giving, I think they are doing a very good job bringing all the manufacturers all over the world on this particular platform, where customers of Indian woodworking industry can reap a benefit of it under one roof. So INDIAWOOD has started, and now it has came a long way, and every manufacturer in the country should visit a show like this to have all the information available. And then because the information what is available or what you get in INDIAWOOD kind of show is really priceless. So you get to know about the new trends which are going in the market. So you get to know about the new technology which is going to be introduced in Indian woodworking industry, and how it benefits their manufacturing process, their sales process, and their way of operating the factories in Indian woodworking industry. So this is really one of the good platform. I urge all the customer to visit INDIAWOOD and take benefit of it.